Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Diana over Crafting Parties. Just really quick, I want to show you these images of Paw Patrol that I'm working on. These were printed onto cover paper and then I glued them onto Styrofoam using some Elmer's Craft Bond spray adhesive. And once it's glued onto the Styrofoam, I then cut it with my laser cutter. And this is what we end up with. Aren't these cute? What I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the edges and the back. So I just like to do that. You can also leave them like this and then just put a wood dowel through the bottom, and then you can just use them as centerpieces. But I wanted to show you really quick how they're coming out. And these are about 7 inches tall, each character. And being the crafty person that I am, and I don't like to throw anything away, although my husband thinks I'm crazy for doing this, but you see all these little pieces that I have left? I don't like to throw anything away because everything works and everything costs money in case I'm going to need them. So what I do is I take my laser cutter and I cut them into little pieces, and I use it as, oh gosh, what's it called? Like the popcorn that you put inside the boxes, styrofoam popcorn. I'm sorry, I don't know what it's called. But I have a whole bunch of them, and I do this in my spare time. So I have a whole bag of that. And it's just little pieces. So I put this inside the boxes when I'm going to ship things out. Just to give it so they don't get ruined in the process, because sometimes there's space in between and these are kind of fragile, so I don't want them moving around in the box and get damaged. So I just pour some of this stuff in there, and it keeps them safe. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Just a short video here showing you what I'm doing. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you. Bye.